Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove Threads badge from Instagram bio. First, in order to see your Threads badge, you just have to go to your profile. As you can see here under my name, I can see my Threads badge. So if someone visits my profile and tap this one, it will take them directly to my Threads account. So if you want to hide this one or remove your threads badge here, the first thing you should do is to go to your edit profile or tap edit profile, scroll down and toggle off this show threads badge. And that is if you want to hide your threads badge. But what if you really want to remove this one? You really want to remove this badge right here. You don't want to hide it. So the very best thing you should do is to also remove or delete or deactivate your badge account. So to do that, what you're going to do is simply go to your Threads account and then you have to delete your account in order for you to remove this badge or Threads badge under your Instagram name. So now I want to launch my Threads account, and in order for me to delete my profile, I just had to simply I go to settings and then scroll down and look for account. After you tap this account right here, and then you have to scroll down again and click this deactivate or delete account and just choose between deactivate profile or delete profile. But if you really want to remove your threads account or threads badge under your Instagram profile or name. Okay, so you just have to delete this one and create a new one. So I do really hope that this video somehow helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.